What if your website ran its own marketing department? Meet DocFluence. One connection and it writes, designs, posts, replies, and sells for you every single day. Here is the full tour. This is your overview, one dashboard for your entire content engine. Followers, engagement, views, replies, search wins, and posts published, all tracked weekly, all climbing. Up and to the right. 470,000 followers across every platform and climbing fast. 11.5 million views. That is the power of showing up everywhere, every single day. Onboarding is automatic. Paste your website and DocFluence crawls it, learns your topics, detects your logo and brand colors, and builds your voice profile. Minutes later, the whole system speaks your language. And the moment you finish onboarding, your content calendar fills itself. One touch and 30 days of posts, carousels, and videos are scheduled before you have written a single word. Fresh content first, proven favorites recycled automatically. Connect everything in one place. Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, Threads, and more. Plus Google Analytics in one click, so every recommendation runs on your real traffic. The research inbox scans your niche around the clock. Fresh studies, news, and trends match to your industry, and one click turns any result into a full blog draft. And it writes, search-optimized blog posts in your voice, with images, internal links, and clean SEO, published straight to your blogging platform. The result? Up to 76 posts a week on autopilot. 163 blogs in the library and growing every single week. The scheduler runs your calendar. Morning posts, afternoon posts, carousels, and videos. Set your times once, toggle any platform on or off, and walk away. Need something out right now? Post Now pushes any blog to every channel instantly with images, hashtags, and platform-perfect formatting. AI videos too, narrated, captioned, animated explainers generated straight from your blogs, and you approve every sample before anything goes live. Dozens of videos a month without ever opening an editor. And it works in any niche. Here is the same engine making videos for a heart doctor, a roofing company, and an energy drink brand all at once. Any industry, any style, always on brand. If you can describe your business, DocFluence can market it. Now the magic. DocFluence answers your comments in DMs. Every reply is grounded in your own content, in your tone, with keyword triggers you control. That is 636 conversations handled every single week. Want a human in the loop? Reply review queues responses for one-click approval before they post. You stay in charge. Your built-in AI-powered CRM tracks everyone who engages, scores them, moves them through visual pipeline stages, nurtures them with friendly follow-ups and email sequences, and hands you warm leads ready to convert. 2,400 people in your pipeline, nurtured automatically. Meet your co-pilot, your online coach and analyst. Ask what went out this week, get edit suggestions, draft blog posts and email sequences, engage your hottest leads, or bump up your posting frequency, all from a simple text prompt. And it is completely non-destructive. Every change is a draft until you approve it. On your website, a 24/7 chatbot answers visitors using only your knowledge base. Never guessing, never making things up, and it gets its own standalone chat page you can share anywhere. Hundreds of conversations answered, even while you sleep. You are always in control. Edit any answer, save it as a template, set link sharing behavior, and the bot learns instantly. Market Intel watches your competitors and your analytics. Weekly intelligence, keyword opportunities, content gaps ranked by real demand, and existing pages worth refreshing. Every week, you also get an automatic AI market intelligence brief like having an analyst on staff. It reads your Google Analytics, your Search Console, and live keyword data, then hands you the strategy, which pages to refresh, what to publish next, and exactly where the demand is. Keyword tracking is built in too. Every query you care about, tracked week over week with position, movement, and trend lines, so you can literally watch yourself climb Google. 22 keywords ranking in the top 10, 1,000% search growth. Analytics ties it all together. Traffic, social growth, and search wins, all trending over time, all scoped to your brand. And engagement that just keeps climbing. Site traffic drills into your Google Analytics. Pages, channels, and campaigns with zero setup. 503 search clicks from Google every week, up 8,000%. And nearly 30,000 search impressions a week. Google cannot ignore you. And here is the part nobody else has. DocFluence learns from its own results. It studies which posts your audience actually engages with, reads your search rankings every week, and teaches itself to write more of what works. Your content engine gets smarter every single week. But self-improving never means out of control. Every suggested edit lands in an approval queue and waits for your sign-off. Nothing changes without you. Your page links are never touched, and one master switch pauses every learning loop instantly. Smart enough to improve itself, safe enough to trust with your brand. And yes, there is a gorgeous dark mode, plus platform toggles and ready-made disclaimers for medical, legal, or financial content. Your rules applied everywhere. And zero games with billing. Your plan lives right in your dashboard with a pause button and a cancel button. Pause anytime, cancel anytime. One click, no phone calls. And every plan starts with a 14-day free trial, so nothing is charged until day 15. More content, more conversations, more customers, more sales. DocFluence.ai, your content on autopilot. Start your 14-day free trial today.